2017 XLR Nitro toy hauler. 30 foot. You can put up to 2,600 pounds in the back. 8 foot high door. 9.5 foot high ceilings. Equiflex suspension. This unit's totally loaded. It's got a gas pump for filling up toys with a 30-gallon gas tank. As you can hear, I got the generator going right now. I got LED lights on right now. Also loading lights on in the back. At nighttime, that just pretty much illuminates 360 degrees all the way around the unit. It's got an Onan 4.0 generator, which runs off that 30-gallon tank. This thing, you could take it out remote camping and run power when you need it. Turn it on to charge your batteries. Everything's power jack on this. Lights. Everything on this unit is super high-end with XLR. XLR makes some high-quality toy haulers. This unit we ordered brand new, had it for 2 years. So inside you have a 15-foot garage. So you can fit a lot of machines in here. It's extra wide. It's 8 foot 10 inches wide, so you don't need a slide out. Your bed up top there is electric. That's a king size bed that'll come all the way down. Jackknife couch sofa goes on these brackets with the pin. We took them out to give more room, but you can easily pop them back in. These are custom XLR leather recliners. That's an extra special order that was ordered for the unit. Table. Everything in the unit is stainless. Got full surround sound within the unit, inside and outside. Switches to listen to radio inside or outside, and this TV can be unmounted and mounted outside to watch television outside. Full power awning. King size bed. Flat screen, full walk around. Here's your bathroom. Spacious bathroom, shower, all stainless. This unit is a very high-end unit. I think it's nicer than some of the even expensive $80,000, $100,000 fifth wheels. We're very negotiable on this. Price MSRP on something like this is about $48,000, and we're willing to come down to almost half to get this thing sold. We only camped with it for a couple summers, and it's just a great unit. We just went bigger, so